Trading Forex is a great opportunity to build your wealth. In order to be successful within the markets, there are important factors you must understand to become a profitable trader. So today, I will share the top Forex tips you need to know in order to avoid failure and to start taking profit within the Forex market. Tip number 1, understanding risk. Yes, the Forex market gives you an opportunity at becoming very wealthy. But what needs to be understood is that everything can go upside down. It is a proven fact that 95% of aspiring traders are expected to drop out of the game within their first years of trading. 95%. In order to avoid becoming another statistic, you have to understand how risk works. A lot of traders do not use stop losses. Do not be that person, and I repeat, do not be that person. Your goal as a trader is to protect your investment first. How can you make money when it's all gone? You need to practice safe trading, and by having stop losses, you will get that done. Safe trading is also not risking more than 3% of your capital every trade. A matter of fact, new traders should not even risk more than 1% a trade. Once you are a more advanced trader, you can up that risk to 3%. Your risk to reward ratio should always be at 1 to 3. Meaning if you risk 1% of your capital, you are looking to gain a 3% return. Trading is a probability game. Every successful trader knows that any trade that is executed may bring either profit or loss. So in order to have an advantage, it is necessary to execute a large number of trades. Risking 1 to 3% will keep you in the market much longer than risking 10% or more. Think about it. If you risk 10% a trade, you restrict yourself to only taking 10 trades before blowing your account. But if you risk 1%, you are able to take 100 trades. Which odds sound better? The best way to find out what 1 to 3% of your capital is by using Forex risk calculators online. Most are free, but what I use is an app called Stinu. What a lot of traders are told is that trading is a get-rich scheme, but in reality, it is a career that gets you rich slowly. Trading is a long journey. You may lose for 1, 2, or maybe even 3 years, but you could gain everything back within 2 months. That's the reality of it. You should have a brick-by-brick approach to your trading.
I built this me, brick by brick.
Thinking like this will allow you to be patient and will boost your confidence once you are able to step back and look at the progress you have created over time. Patience is key. Leading on to my next tip, being patient. Just like anything in our lives, great things take time. In many ways, the Forex market is like the weather. If you do not like the current conditions, all you have to do is wait a while. Patience is the most important trading skill. The game is honestly 10% execution and 90% waiting. What new traders need to understand is that you cannot become successful without learning how to wait for your setups. Fear of missing out, or FOMO in other words, is what stops a trader from killing it in the markets. All that unnecessary pressure will cause you to take trades that do not follow your trading plan, and that loss after loss will end up feeling like death with 1,000 cuts. Then before you know it, you are in too deep of a drawdown, causing you to participate in revenge trading. Avoid revenge trading. Revenge trading is one of the worst enemies for Forex traders. Revenge trading is when you take on 1 or more trades in an attempt to recoup a large loss from a previous trade. I don't blame you. When we lose money on a trade, our natural tendency is to try to recover it. But sometimes the desire becomes so strong that we act irrationally. Stop. I know it's hard to reap loss after loss, but you must remain patient and not allow the market to get under your skin. Because once you do, your mentality is in danger. Remember, your market edge means nothing without a mental edge. I repeat, your market edge means nothing without a mental edge. During times when you do not see opportunities to trade, step away from the markets. Go on with your day. You could go for a walk, read a book, play some games, go work out, and just basically live your life. Time away from the market is healthy, as this game will take a toll on your mentality. You need to understand, trading opportunities will always present itself within time. Tip number 3, journaling your trades. In this industry, you will never hear about a successful trader who does not journalize their trades. This is a tip that most new traders will ignore because they do not see the benefits of journalizing. Having a journal will allow you to have notes on every single trade you take. It can help answer some critical questions about your trading techniques, and it is a chance to review your performance to see what works and what does not work within your trading approach. Your journal does not have to be complicated. As long as you understand what you are tracking and why, you are being a responsible and disciplined trader. Most journals look like this. This one's mine. I created it to have the pair I trade, my entries and exits, lot size, date and time, total pips, profit losses, and a note section to explain the reasons for executing a trade with a trading view link to provide the visuals. By having a journal, you will be able to boost your confidence because you will be able to review your past profits. Looking back at previous trades will be beneficial to your craft because over time you will gain the skill to identify characteristics of winning or losing trades. So, in conclusion, understanding risk, being patient, and journaling your trades are the top Forex tips you must know. Remember, trading rewards the hard workers that are consistent and that put in the time. Earning thousands of dollars in a couple of hours is the result of many years of hard, focused work. That's why you must love the process. No one is coming to save you. Your execution, your plans, your risk, and your systems all depend on you. So do your due diligence and practice these tips, and I promise you, you will be on the road to riches. Like this video if you agree. Subscribe for more tips and comment down below to share what has helped you with your trading journey.